This is a video going over the homework from yesterday, if this helps you to complete the quiz. Number 15, log of 10, x to the 5th. There are two elements, 10 and x to the 5th, so we're going to give each one a logarithm. They're being multiplied, so I'm going to add those logarithms. Now I do also have an exponent here, so I'm going to move that exponent in front. And again, that is simply taking the exponent and moving it in front to become a coefficient. So instead of it being the exponent for x, it is in front of that logarithm. Second one is very similar. Both the 3 and the x to the 4th are going to get a logarithm, ln. They're being multiplied, so I add. Exponent of 4 comes in front and becomes a coefficient. In 17, we have division and multiplication. Each element gets a logarithm. So that means both x, 3, and y all get a logarithm. We are subtracting both of these because both the 3 and the y are being divided. The other way to write this is to have ln x minus ln 3 plus ln y in parentheses, saying that I'm dividing both of these and that they are being multiplied in the denominator. Either one works. Next I have 6 x squared. Let's throw the 2 in front. Y to the 4th. Let's throw the 4 in front. These two are being multiplied, so I'm going to add them. This is being divided, so I subtract. Down here, we're going to combine these two into one logarithm, base 4. 7 and 10 are being divided because they are logarithms are being subtracted. And then I have natural log, x to the 6th. So I have this x to the 6th. Again, this is an exponent. Coefficient comes up and becomes the exponent. And I have y to the 4th. Again, this coefficient comes up and becomes the exponent. The two logs are being added, so I'm going to multiply them. Here I have log base 5. I have a 4. And this is a coefficient, so it's going to come up and become the exponent. X to the 1/3. And they're being added, so I'm going to multiply those two elements because their logs are being added. You can also write this as log base 5 of 4, and 1/3 as an exponent means cubed root, so 4 cubed roots of x. Down here I have natural log of 2 to the 5th. Again, coefficient comes up and becomes the exponent. Same thing on both of these. 7 and 4 are going to become exponents. So it's x to the 7th, y to the 4th. And then you could also write this as 32. And then down here I have log base 3. I have 4 plus, then I have 1/2 squared, which is 1/4. And then plus x. So again, they're all being added, so we're going to multiply their elements. 4 times 1/4 is just 1. So this just comes out as log base 3 of x.